Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. Move-in day on our little water damage insurance restoration we've been working on in Macon, Georgia. Got all new carpet, good color, all new paint. Covered the old tile, some nice LVT, good looking product there. This was the scope of work, started back in here. Hot water heater overhead leaked. Got to vacuum the carpets. Everything freshly painted. Good makeover on the bathroom. This is totally new, moisture board in here. New fixtures. Work carried into the master bedroom, new carpet, new paint in here. And into the master closet. So a big improvement for these homeowners. They're getting ready to sell the house. So all this worked out. Nice upgrade for them. Fresh new look for the new buyers. So if we can help you out with your insurance restoration jobs, please give us a call, 478-501-0102. We're experienced with handling insurance claims, working with adjusters, get you the most for your money, and make it easy for you the first time. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.